Hello everyone. Well, today I'd like to congratulate Real Taiter. He has reached 100 subs and he is doing a giveaway and he wants us to pick a lock for him. Has to be looking at his channel right now on my computer. He must be a subscriber. Pick 5 pins and SPP'd. Contest ends the 31st July and include the hashtag Real Taiter. So if you guys don't know who Real Taiter is, you better go check him out. Okay, so I'm going to pick this American lock Taiter. Real Taiter. I bought 2 of these. They just came in the mail today. And they don't have keys. I've already SPP'd them. I've picked them with the leashy. I've decoded them, and I decided I'm going to change the bidding on them. Both. They're not bad. They're both pinned the same. I'm going to change the bidding and fabricate a couple of 6-pin keys tomorrow. These are only 5, so shut up and get with it. Okay, I heard that. Okay, let's get in here. These have a lot of serrations, which is wonderful, and spools. Okay, I think that was number 3, maybe 4. Number 2. Number 3 just fell through. Okay, I'm gonna let a little clip there. Off of 4. Gonna click out of 1. Whoa. Number 4. Number 5, give me a little soft one. Okay, go another little click out of 2. And 1 out of 1, it felt like it went. There it is. Alright. So like I said, I don't have a key, so I'm going to try not to close that cylinder up and get it open. We're going to pick this guy real quick. Come on out. Okay, just don't want it to close up on me. And see if I can get that clip off of there. Closing it up. I'm gonna go to town tomorrow and I'm gonna buy some new glasses. Can't see, they're 2 cents. Don't you dare close up on me. Don't get old, guys, it's overrated. There we go. That's what I've been told anyway. brains to shut off my AC. It made so much noise in my last couple of videos. I couldn't believe it when I played them back, but it's not like you can redo a Medico. Well, I ended up redoing it anyway, but that was crazy, wasn't it? Yeah. Got a laugh out of average picker anyway. Okay, so we got 5 pins, and bring this light in a little bit. Turn them around. All these key pins are serrated, and I'll get the top ones out. These are cool old blocks. These are 700s. Okay, got a nice serrated pin there. And another serrated. Spool. Another spool. And it's serrated. And look at all the springs right there, so I don't lose them. Okay, guys, I'll bring this up to the camera so you can see them. I know you guys know what they look like, but I'm supposed to pick 5 pinners, so there it is. And every one of them are security. Okay, thank you guys for joining me today, and congratulations again, Real Taiter. Go check him out if you don't know who he is, and come back and see me real soon. Bye-bye.